I'm standing here on behalf of three organizations who are participating in this conference. So I represent not only TAP, but the Lalpur Young Historian Club. There are two of their members out here who have formed that club, and those of you who have participated in their events in Lalpur. So they are wonderful researchers and have done a wonderful work, and we're happy to be partnering with them. Then we have another organization who are also here. That's led by Iqbal Kaisar Sahab. He's well known for his research in his work, particularly on the Sikhs and the Jain people, the minorities of this country. I'm standing on their behalf also. So I have the privilege and the great honor to welcome our chief guest, Dr. Professor Mukhtar. He's currently the Vice Chancellor of the University of Southern Punjab. And he has been, this is, I think, the fourth Vice Chancellorship that he holds. So he came into this country after spending a lot of time in the US. He is a scientist by profession. He's a researcher. And his heart and spirit, I think, must have always been in Pakistan. Because when he came back as a foreign faculty professor, तो immediately मेरा ख्याल है उन्होंने तो पाकिस्तान को तो अपना लिया. I was fortunate to have met him when he was Vice Chancellor of the University, Islamia University at Bahawalpur. And by God, I mean, he was such a difference that he was so very different from the Vice Chancellors that we normally see. He's one of the most welcoming people who open their own world at the university for anybody who is seriously pursuing some research work. So it's an immense pleasure for us to have him here as our chief guest. Currently, we are also working in Multan. He's now stationed in Multan, and he's making a huge impact there as well. We have a partnership and a MOU with the University of Southern Punjab, and we are participating together in a project in Multan, which is the preservation of the Ghanta Ghar, and also repurposing it for the artisans and the artisan collective. So he is the spirit and the light behind it. Again, he embraced the whole project and he gave us ideas on how to proceed further. So I would like to also publicly thank him for the contribution that he's making to this work that we are doing there. I would also like to welcome everybody who's sitting here. Right in front of me is Dr. Nizam, who was one of the first people when we started this way back in 2006, when TAP started. So he's been with us, all along in this long journey that we've had. Dr. Nizam named these premises, this house, as the Freedom House, because we had the doors always open. और चारों पांच इस घर के दरवाजे हैं और पांचें हमेशा खुले रहते हैं. बहुत सारे जो लोग हैं वो किचन के थ्रू आना पसंद करते हैं for some reason. But the doors are always open and they inshallah shall remain open. Just to give you a little thought about the work that TAP is doing. I think Marine has given you the little background of when we started. So it's almost about 20 years. Next year it will be 20 years. So we the subset of TAP is research, practice, and service. So this is what we are aiming for. We are very involved in research. There are lots of projects that happen and which are, encouraged, or we are able to kind of work towards that. The current interest that TAP has in its research agenda is on the rivers of Harappa, or rather the Harappa civilization. And that was something that Dr. Pravesh Vandal has led throughout. And he came up with the idea that one should look at the past to be able to learn from it and see whether the Harappan civilization still has something of relevance to us today. तो उसमें जो सबसे मेरा ख्याल है इम्पोर्टेंट जी गल निकली सी कि वो एक ज़माना सी जिथे कोई 5 to 7,000 साल तक पीस रही है. There was no warfare. It was a time when people lived in harmony. And one of the basic premises was this, that it was a time when trade was more important. And in trade, obviously, has to be peace. Otherwise, you can't trade. And you learn the art of negotiation. So ये दोनों जो चीज़ें हैं, the art of negotiation and living in peace somehow is critical to our future. Downstairs, just before coming, Dr. Mukhtar informed us about the work that he's currently involved with and his current interest. And that is on the issue of the water, the rivers and the water. And we are hoping that in the project that we are building up, we will form a partnership there also with Dr. Saab's kindness, as usual, with his kind of kindness to us. Let me also welcome our keynote speaker, that is Nansukh Saab. He's a well-known, he's a brilliant scholar. बड़ा काम है इनका, बड़ा कुछ हमने इनसे सीखा भी. और ये जब हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी होती थी तो उधर हम पढ़ाते भी थे. तो there's a lot that you will understand about the yogis through through his keynote talk. So let me again welcome all of you. I can see Perrin and Amy there also. They're also one of our earliest members of our of THAB and great supporters of THAB. So we are all here together as one large family and community, and I hope that spirit will prevail. With those few words, I'd like to again welcome all of you and welcome our chief guest and our keynote speaker. Thank you very much.